First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Don't stop. Let's prepare the banks of the stream. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Excavator. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Done! Lift crane. We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Don't stop! Let's prepare the bridge supports. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. First, we need to assemble. Cherry picker truck. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Cherry picker truck. Done! Let's place the frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. We have to assemble mini loader. Amazing! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Move the part to its place. Done! Now let's paint the frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. We have to assemble covered truck. Keep up the good work. It's time to fuel. Covered truck. That's all. Let's finish the bridge and place the railing. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's... We have to assemble pickup truck. Ready. Help the car make its way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from... Keep up the good work. Let's polish and saturate the boards. Time to fix the vehicle. We need to assemble drop side truck. You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Let's make a road to the bridge. The bridge is ready. Now getting to the other side is easy. You're doing really great.